yung layunin ng aktibidad na to, which is being done every year, is for us to encourage new researchers in order to do researches on health, since alam naman natin na marami tayong mga health issues, not only here in the Cordillera but also in our country. It is better to join hands together para makita natin ang mga nais nating masolusyonan na mga health concerns dito sa ating community. So basically, we are calling all researchers, new and senior researchers alike. So new to establish and become researchers, to do whatever is there to be able to help the community. And yung mga dati nating researcher, mag-continue siya na mag-research para matulungan ng ating community. Basically, it's anchored on health, etong activity natin na ito. We try to come together and then nagkakaroon tayo ng networking. So, kung meron tayong new researchers, kasi pinipresent natin yung mga researches ng students natin, pati mga professionals natin, yung mga results ng researches natin, then, probably because we also invited mga local government units or policy makers, there is a possibility na itong mga results ng researches na ito will be captured into policy. Kasi hindi naman pwedeng ang mga researches natin nasa lang, na pang-academic lang, so, or nasa shelves lang. So better yet, we try to network with each other and reach out to our policymakers para makadevelop tayo ng mga policies, programs na pwedeng makatulong sa ating mga community and address health issues.
I'm so very happy po that our research paper has been chosen to present in this very big event. Kasi first of all, our study, we can share it to not only in our school and our college, but na-share po namin siya all throughout the Cordillera. And through this event po, we can assure that this intervention that we have developed, mas malaki yung chance na ma-implement siya LGUs na nangangailangan ng tulong. The main focus of this study of us is the social connectedness among the elderly who are at risk of hearing impairment. So, social connectedness is a critical determinant of health and well-being among elderly individuals. So, through this intervention, makaka-help po sa kanila na mas mapataas, ma-enhance yung social connectedness nila since yung hearing impairment or yung hearing nila is slowly na nagde-decline.
First of all, nakaka-proud kasi hindi ko naman in-expect na mapipili yung research ko dito. More especially, I know na it's a very hard subject, yung genomics. And so, to see my hard work being presented at a regional level gives me pride, but at the same time, it gives me hope na it will be used for the good, for the betterment of our community and our society. Basically, investigatory kasi yung nature ng study ko. So, but yung main problem na I'm trying to solve is yung oil spills. It's a big problem, lalo na sa aquatic and terrestrial ecosystems. And so, naghahanap ako ng mga microorganisms that would be able to degrade gasoline and other petroleum-derived hydrocarbons para malasan yung impact nito, yung toxic impacts nito sa human health at saka sa environmental health.